Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how exactly you can make start your t-shirt business from scratch if even you don't have any fancy equipment or a high budget. And yeah, we will be all using Canva designer and a little bit local networking to make it all happen. Let's jump in. Number one, we have to make know that we can use Canva. Canva, there is this tool out there. Everybody can use it, even you are completely beginner. If you only know drop, drag, and click, you are good to go. So here are the few steps how we can make a design for t-shirt. When you don't know, you don't have any idea how to do it. Yes, open Canva, there's elements, put a name, like for example, I choose a turbo, and put it under design. There's a lot of huge library of graphic, minimalist, funny quad, a lot of stickers, you can use it, or even you have any ideas to make it live. Use Canva for design, and that's the greatest tool ever out there to use Canva for designing anything you want. Here we're talking about the t-shirt design for business, right? Tip number two, you make few designs on Canva, different style, different t-shirt, different colors to make it for online store. So once you have a concept, you use Canva to bring it to life and then save it in the PNG format at the high quality for t-shirt printing machine. Now you already have a design. Now we are going to make online store. So I'm talking about national country store. For example, in countries they have their own national store. For example, in Asia, in Indonesia, there is Shopee and Lazada. If you also select Malaysia, it also have Shopee. But if you go to Europe, there is eBay, Etsy, like that. There's plenty more, but I'm talking about this. The all platform function is same. But I'm talking about here a Shopee. Shopee is a platform. There's a lot of sellers selling their own products on Shopee. There are different stores, different products. Now we have to make our own store on Shopee. Then we can publish our products on Shopee. So for example, I make already store and name, put a few details about your store related to the products. Now here we are doing t-shirt. I only selling t-shirt on this store, and we make a detail about t-shirt. For that, we are looking to find a local printing shop. So if you already know in your area there is a local printing shop, so you straightly go to him directly. Or if you don't know, if you are for the first time hearing this, then Google it near around with you. Go to them and take a little detail about their product, check their sample and check their prices. Which one good for you, go for that. Understand? Choose the best one that your customer will love it and you will have for long-term customer. First of all, go to the you find it a store and go to them, check the quality, check the sample and check the price. You already know what is the price of the product and check if they can negotiate with your product, they can give you some discount or not. So you keep the price in mind, all the size, all the quality. When you uploading that, you put your own profit on that price. For example, printer shop make you for $5, then you sell it on $8 or $10, so there will be some commission from the store. For example, 20% will cut from Shopee from my product when it sell. I only get 30% profit. You already did that, right? You know the pricing. Then we are going to publish our products in different categories, different design, different products. So I'm into t-shirt and different color, different stickers, there are different things. So after that, then take the order and detail, go to the printer shop, give them the designs and they will printing it. After printing, your product is ready, then package it nicely, took a small note, thank you for like a thanks note or something, you a keychain or something you prefer to give it, and this is your first order. Oh, I'm good. This is all a roadmap I show you, and it's really in the first time you will face difficulty, but slowly when you learn it. In the start, you don't have a lot of money to use it, you just have to pay for the shots you have ordered. After receiving the money, you can withdraw it and do it again, keep the profit and make your business grow. I will show you some bonus tips. Keep relationship with your partner, printing partner, so that he can make you a good discount and prioritize your order. Make good quality and keep that trendy. What's popular in the market and what people search for it. Choose the products like comfy and durable that your customer will love it. Package it nicely and put always some notes in that package that your customer will see it and they will love it. It makes a big difference. understand? Just on the roadmap, you can do it. And after that, I will, and now you already done it. This is your business start, and you can make a lot of money. People make a lot of money from that, and using Canva and some. This is the local start that I do by myself also. And then I'm in the start. I can make a good enough money. I share with you guys. You guys can do it also without zero investment. If this video helpful for you, then please do a subscribe, like, and comments. You then make the tips in the future. Do recommend what kind of design you will create. I would love to hear it. Thanks for today. Keep creating, keep hustling. Bye for now.